Hello, I'm Rajeshwari M. I'm working as a professor in Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science. I'm recording this video for the purpose of IUCE capstone project. So they have permitted 3 LMS. I have taken module as my demo. Now in the module, this is the ID and password of mine, which is permitted by my institute. Let me log in here. And step 2, I have to show the students list and the course. The course which I am going to show, a lot of courses included. Here let me take merger acquisition and corporate restructuring. So the students added as rubrics point 2. Here the students are users, enrolled users. So number of students 43 enrolled. Here this is the students list. Okay, and the third one which I have to demonstrate here, as per the instruction, I have added module O or 0. Here module O or 0 contains course outline, prerequisites of the course, timetable, syllabus, then lesson followed by lesson plan, then self-study material, contact hours, virtual meeting hours. So just I have uploaded as a consolidated file and individual file. I'll show which file I have uploaded. This is the file I have uploaded. Here is the point 1, course outcome, mapping of CO to PO, then the prerequisites, this is a timetable, then syllabus of merger acquisition. It includes all the MOOC courses, online self-learning courses, even though again I same repeated. Then lesson plan. Here is the lesson plan. Then self-study material link. Then the contact hour, virtual meeting hours. So this is the document which I uploaded here I have pointed out. Followed by module O. So the next point according to IUCE is the third one is course announcement. Here I have made the course announcement, that is quiz and assignment I have uploaded. Okay, then the next point here module 1. So module 1 contains recorded lectures and the live lecture, PPT, PDF, quiz, assignment. Here the recorded videos. So this is actually my video. Then here in the module 1, so PPT is here, merger acquisition, and the PDF files are available. So students can download that. Now let me move on to the module 1, another part. See, here I have uploaded the quiz. So let me open quiz which is conducted for part A. So total out of 43, 42 attended the quiz, and the scores are, because another component we have scores. So this 42 students have taken. Here is the score. See, for example, suppose the first question is right or wrong. If it is, these students have not attended. So others and all, right and wrong is marked with the tick marks. Okay. next one. So another assignment is there. Then here the recorded video of mine. This is my recorded video, and this is what is this and all. This is a live video, and this is recorded by others. So links are posted for the learning of merger acquisition. So here if you download here module O, so all the details whatever I showed in the Word file, that can be downloaded by the students. Here module 1, let me show the PPT and PDF. First I have shown here the file, so they can download it. I thank IUCEE for giving a great opportunity of learning so many things. It was great pleasure. So I can create, I have created so many other courses also, but I have taken example of merger acquisition. So this is the whatever been instructed by IUCEE, I have uploaded here. So thank you so much. This is a great opportunity. I expect to consider my video because I'm not a tech person. I'm little one generation back. So I learned very patiently. Thank you so much for your support and guidance. Thank you, sir.